aikie
ate aikie ora iga koikia we nginya kugea mababe na boy niki urauga we imagine tari ngai akwariria gakwira ati uthie matigarire ku reka maturaga ngara
ire ngara 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 matingiaga ira gukorwo utuku meneno ya tauni
acio nera matathiete online wira wahanire uba
wathire online
wira
yes
matathiete online matigitwo makahurwo ni eo guku bara yes but you can imagine God telling you in a dream
yes
akwa tondu hikanetie ri na wewe munabii wakwa ri ndirenda uthie ngara
yes
ngara
wele mwendia wa nyeki ndikititha cia kuhunjia
cia maundu maingi muthiri Friday mundu athia kori akoya guoko iguru kanitha-ini kwao
auge ni araiguire he handu kamuhari
orie mutungatiri etha mutungatiri ate
is it the Bible or a novel? You see, we are reading the Bible here and you are talking about a novel.
No, you are too much onto Facebook.
Yes.
Well, the Bible said what?
There is somebody who was told by God to go get a grass seller.
Married to a prostitute?
Yes.
No. God cannot do that. No. There is nowhere in the Bible, nowhere. Aya maujaga kanitha iria cikorwo na marigu wira ni akaraini.
Yes.
Uthio moria ni hau. Ndaigua rugano ta ru.
Aca.
Aja isikia story kama hiyo. Ndakuririe andu aria mathomaga guthoma kirikaniro na aria makoragwo mathiete kindu gitagwo theology ri. Makoragwo mathiete kirikaniro thuru.
Yes.
Na kukichambua. Na nikiona ringi na ringi ahunjia turaini the same verse mamitaguraga very different na mundu thiete school of theology.
Yes,
very different.
Hatu tirataurire nawe maana ya juu na maana ya ndani.
Amatiko wacio na maana ya ndani.
Maana ya juu athoma roho arauga ni roho auguo
roho ndari atonya thiri wa kumae maana ya ndani.
Uria kiandikitwo niguo mathoma na niguo matauraga ciugo icio cie hau.
Ouwa.
Na nikio macokagira atacokera ringi. Ati akirwo atia?
Atiriri. Mega atiriri. Thina no umwe. They come with an idea.
Yes.
And they look for verses in the Bible
to support the idea.
To qualify the idea.
Yes.
Ndio kana itagwo as justice. Gwithia ni torunire makuma. As justice. Kindu ta kiu uguo. Thini wa theological terms.
Yes.
Na ni hari ex justice. Riu ni ri akuga ati no arekereria kirikaniro ndumire wamba wathoma kirikaniro aruta message yau. No ri ithu tuthia na message Bible.
Yes.
Ona ni uko Google.
Ukandika
qualify
wina topic uretha mwari
tukorora andu amagegania thino no riu witigire Jehova na riu natakwira wikena ndatigire guthita thitora andu ndatigire guthita thitora andu by the way tondu muriu ni agiukire na agika atia na akiambo mutharabaini ndagitamba yake karoge gikatia igiatuka yes kama ucio niwe we mwene we that man himself.
Yes.
He's the one who has come with the
message
and then trying to make it look like it came from God.
Yes.
Whereas he's just trying to satisfy his own egos and the greed and the stomach.
Yes, and looking for followers.
Yes. Na ona heriri he mandiko maugaga atiriri ati gatagati-ini kanyu ri kuri andu a maheni wanyita kuri andu aki amaheni aria moragithagia aria angi na angi ni mariaga magongona maria maruteirwo mihianano wanyita ati aria angi nao mekaga maundu ma waganu riu hau he maundu maingi muno makiritwo riu hau itangigitinda ti thaa ici no ikare ukimenya kuri andu maria nginya ki magongona maria maruteirwo ki mihianano. Yes, tondu you never know where guys are going at night. And you never know.
Yes,
you never know. Let me tell you.
Yes,
you never know. Nigugwethera riri O maandĩko-inĩ macio nĩ kũgwethera harĩa Ngai aigaga atĩrĩrĩ, o Ngai akĩaria na nabii yake he handũ aragia ũhoro wa fear God more than hot porridge because he can make you marry a prostitute from Koinange. And not just marrying.
Yes, and desire children.
No, God is waiting and watching whether you are doing it to get children. And you know that it is
what the profession.
No, fear God. He made that son of another man.
Yes.
Marry a prostitute.
Yes.
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 And God was there.
Yes.
Yes, watching. Are you doing it?
Yes.
I'm waiting for children.
Yes. And you know what to do. No. Ndomereri mwetare motu kateri itokia kai auga we
Gaire tuiguagira tha muno teneri
tondu thiko ici ni ndungikiga mundu uga ati ndina ndomereri oka mundu akakwira ni ndumitwo ndina ndomereri kuma kwi Ngai yaku
no neo yatumirwo munabii ucio ri Ngai ongire direct angiatumire ni bode
gutumana
ndine direct we mwene akamwira this is what I want you to do agere kwi muthoni
aca
ni mukuhitania tuhu na muico tuiguage ona ni wohu andu moragie niki
mundu eutie ukakuhenagia andu guku na ritwa ria Ngai
ati he mundu ramwirite athie Koinange oe mundu
tene ndumeri ya kuma kwi Ngai
ndumeri ya kuma kwi Ngai areka atia aramuhurire nginya arakua for what?
Yes.
For what?
No need.
Asafi